In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and verify your Tradovate account and then use it seamlessly with TradingView. To get started, it's crucial to have your Tradovate account active and verified. This ensures that you'll have full access to all the features and functionalities Tradovate has to offer. If you're planning to trade futures, make sure futures trading is enabled on your account right from the get-go. This step is often overlooked, but having it set up means you're ready to take on futures trading without a hitch. Now, with your Tradovate account all set, it's time to venture over to TradingView, an essential tool for any trader. Head to tradingview.com and make sure to log into your account. If you're not already using TradingView, setting up your account is quick and easy, and it opens a world of charting possibilities. With TradingView open, you'll want to search for the specific futures contract or trading instrument you're interested in. For instance, if you're looking to trade E-mini S&P 500 futures, you'd search for the notation ES. Once you have your desired futures contract up and running in your chart, it's time to access an incredibly useful feature, the trading panel. You'll find the trading panel conveniently located at the bottom of your chart. Clicking on this tab will reveal a suite of broker options. From this list, your next task is to select Tradovate as your broker. This selection process is straightforward, and soon you'll be greeted with a login pop-up to enter your Tradovate credentials. Speaking of credentials, you'll need your Tradovate username and password at the ready to log in. It's also possible you'll encounter a two-factor authentication step. Don't worry if this happens, it's just an extra layer of security to ensure your account remains safe from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to authorize TradingView. This means granting permission for TradingView to connect with your Tradovate account. Doing so enables you to place trades directly from the TradingView interface without having to toggle between different platforms. This integration is particularly advantageous, streamlining the entire trading process into one cohesive experience. And there you have it. Once you're fully connected and authorized, you're set to start trading. You can now place orders, manage your positions, and keep a vigilant eye on your Tradovate account, all through TradingView. This integration not only saves time, but also simplifies account management and execution of trades, making your trading endeavors more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find these steps clear and informative. Happy trading.